Near Rome, Italy, lies an enigmatic region shaped by powerful volcanic activity, where two dormant volcanic districts, Monte Sabatini and Colli Albani, stand as silent witnesses to a turbulent geological past. Though they appear inactive today, their histories tell of immense eruptions that shaped the landscape, leaving behind fertile soils and dramatic landforms. Recent scientific studies have brought renewed attention to these volcanoes, raising questions about their long-term stability and whether they might awaken once again. Monte Sabatini and Colli Albani belong to a broader volcanic system that has influenced the area for hundreds of thousands of years. Monte Sabatini last erupted approximately 70,000 years ago, while Colli Albani saw its most recent activity around 36,000 years ago. Unlike extinct volcanoes, which are considered incapable of future eruptions, these districts are classified as dormant. This means that while they are not currently erupting, the possibility of renewed activity in the distant future cannot be entirely dismissed. Despite their quiet appearance, Colli Albani has shown signs that some geological processes are still at work beneath the surface. Subtle ground deformation, seismic tremors, and gas emissions suggest that magma movement continues, albeit at an extremely slow pace. Some researchers believe that Colli Albani follows an eruption cycle of approximately 30,000 to 40,000 years. Given that its last eruption occurred 36,000 years ago, it is theoretically within the time frame of a potential future reactivation. However, this does not imply that an eruption is imminent, as these processes unfold over geological timescales much longer than a human lifespan. The question of whether these volcanoes pose a threat to the densely populated areas around Rome remains an important consideration. Unlike more active volcanoes such as Mount Vesuvius or Mount Etna, Monte Sabatini and Colli Albani do not exhibit immediate warning signs of an impending eruption. However, continuous monitoring is essential to detect any significant changes in their behavior. Advances in geophysical technology enable scientists to track seismic activity, ground uplift, and gas emissions, providing valuable data to assess potential risks and improve preparedness. Beyond their geological significance, these volcanic systems have played a crucial role in shaping the history and landscape of central Italy. The materials ejected from past eruptions contributed to the formation of the region's fertile soils, which have supported agriculture for centuries. The distinctive tuff rock, a product of compressed volcanic ash, has been widely used in Roman architecture, giving the city some of its most iconic structures. Even Rome's legendary foundation, with its origins tied to the Seven Hills, is closely linked to this volcanic heritage. Lakes and thermal springs found in the region are also remnants of past volcanic activity. Lake Bracciano and Lake Albano, both located within ancient craters, have long provided water resources and scenic beauty to the area. Underground thermal activity continues to sustain hot springs, a feature that was highly valued by the Romans, who built elaborate bath complexes around these natural phenomena. While Monte Sabatini remains in a state of deep dormancy, Colli Albani continues to intrigue researchers due to its slow but measurable geological changes. Though an eruption is unlikely in the near future, the dynamic nature of the Earth reminds us that even seemingly quiet landscapes can evolve over long periods. By studying these volcanoes, scientists gain insight into the complex forces shaping our planet, improving our ability to understand and predict future geological activity. For now, Rome's 4 sleeping volcanoes remain silent, their past eruptions recorded in the rocks and soil beneath the city. Yet their story is far from over, as the Earth continues its slow and ever-changing rhythm, shaping the land in ways that will unfold over millennia.